My name's Lauren Gault. I'm from Northern Ireland and I live and work in Glasgow in Scotland. My work is installation based and I tend to create or make scenarios using materials that are on acute points of exchange as a way to talk about bigger environmental, ethical, political scenarios. On my residency at Gasworks, I was really interested initially in getting hold of a publication that's held in the British Library, and through my research I discovered that it's the only known copy in the world of a publication that was written under an alias by my relative, who over 100 years ago was an early explorer in Canada. Came up with all these different theories about the origin of the universe, material travel, dual consciousness, all these kind of really interesting and exciting things, I think, for a woman of her time. So from the book, I then began to weave in a whole host of different researches that I uncovered whilst I was here. These are really sort of diverse and range from an extinct breed of cattle called the auroch, auto-ignition and flame studies, cognitive studies of the Roman cult of Mithras, all these different things that I have uncovered as being interrelated, and I'm trying to build into this new body of work and research that will inform an exhibition that I'm doing here next year. So I'm really excited by the breadth of sources and resources I've been able to access here that are building into this really new body of unknown material that I've never worked with before.